Welcome to Shrini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my Instant Pot series, today I'm going to make flavorful Dabba Style Chana Masala. This recipe has 3 steps: boiling chana, preparing spice mix, and preparing masala mix. The ingredients are chana. I soaked my chana in hot water for 2 hours. Cinnamon, black cardamom, clove, dried amla, salt, baking soda, tea, water. To prepare the spice mix: cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger powder, Aamchur powder, salt, chilli powder, sugar, turmeric powder, kasuri methi, garam masala. For the masala mix: onion, tomato puree, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, oil. You can substitute this with ghee to get more flavor, Asafoetida or Hing. In a cheesecloth, add cinnamon sticks, cloves, black cardamom, tea, and dried amla and make it into a knot. This gives dark color and a slight sour taste. Add soaked chana, salt, baking soda, and tight cheesecloth along with water and pressure cook on high pressure for 15 minutes with the pressure valve on sealing position. My family prefers chana soft, so I'm going to cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. If you're soaking your chana overnight, then pressure cook for 8 minutes. Once the pressure releases naturally, open Instant Pot, discard the cheesecloth with the whole garam masala and drain chana. To prepare spice mix: in a mixing bowl, add coriander powder, ginger powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, Aamchur, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and salt. Mix well. Adjust salt according to your taste. To prepare masala mix, set Instant Pot on saute mode. Add oil, Asafoetida, and onion. Saute until onions are cooked, about 2 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. Add yogurt and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Add tomato puree and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Add kasuri methi, add sugar, prepared spice mix, grated ginger, cooked channa. Add water according to your desired consistency. I'm not adding any water because I want my channa to be dry. Pressure cook on high pressure for 5 to 8 minutes with the pressure valve on sealing position. Once pressure releases naturally, open and stir well. Transfer to serving bowl. Garnish with cilantro, onion, ginger, kasuri methi and lemon juice. Dabba Style Instant Pot Chana Masala is ready for serving with rice. Try this recipe and post your comments and feedback. Stay connected with me on my social media pages. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to receive our updates.